Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We're looking at following up on a selling opportunity in gold. We saw the 60-minute bars or 60-minute value bars poke up into significantly overvalued here in the previous two bars, and we're now trading at right around 1672.50. I would expect this market to roll over here at some point and start heading south again. We saw essentially a weakening of this market on a 60-minute basis, looking at our MQ trend indicator here. And right now, also on a daily basis, we're still fairly overvalued as well. And so I think this all points to the potential of this market selling off. And then I think we talked about in our video yesterday the fact that the gold market could potentially come down here and retest this trend line that it broke out of last week. So we'll see whether it actually gets that far down there, but at a minimum, I think there's a good trading opportunity right now to sell here at these levels and then cover our short position at call it moderately undervalued as soon as we're able to reach that. So, and that would be basis a 60-minute price bar, or what we could do is if we're able to catch this wave right here and see a follow through, we could even go back to our daily price bars and look for a situation where that would might possibly reach the moderately undervalued price level. Although if I did that, I would use a 5-bar analysis period, which would make it a little bit more reactive to the downside and give us a better probability of actually reaching the moderately undervalued price point. So we'll continue to watch this opportunity here, but looking for at the very minimum a sell-off here on the 60-minute basis, targeting a moderately undervalued 60-minute value bar level using a 10-bar analysis period, and then see what happens. But I think this is a good trade. We really don't need to risk very much here. In fact, I would even be comfortable risking the high of the bar, which is only about 1.2 points, essentially from the area we're talking about right here at 1673. So let's continue to watch this. I would want to see this price bar that we're in, or the next one, penetrate the low of the previous price bar, which would take us down to call it the 1671.40 level. So let's keep an eye on this market and see if we actually are able to see that sell off. And then another thing we can do also when we look at situations where we're selling using 60-minute price bars is drill down to shorter term price bars, and maybe even looking at a 2-minute here. And then once this shorter term price bar reaches maybe moderately overvalued or begins to head south again with the momentum indicator, we could possibly use that to guide our timing.